During World War I, the German army fielded one of the most advanced and lethal infantry arsenals of the early 20th century. These arms shaped the brutal reality of industrial warfare. Let's break down every major infantry weapon used by Germany during the First World War, explaining where they came from, how they fought, and where they fell short on the battlefield. Let's start with the rifles and carbines. Gewehr 98. The backbone of the German infantry was the Gewehr 98. Developed by Mauser and adopted in 1898, it was designed to deliver long-range accuracy and reliability for massed infantry formations. Armed with a powerful 7.92 by 57 mm cartridge and fed by a 5-round internal magazine, the Gewehr 98 excelled at precision fire and extreme durability. Its long barrel gave it excellent muzzle velocity and accuracy, making it one of the finest bolt-action rifles of the war. However, its length and weight proved cumbersome in trenches, where quick handling mattered more than long-range performance. Carabiner 98. To address mobility issues, Germany introduced the Carabiner 98A. Developed specifically for cavalry, artillery crews, and assault troops, it retained the same cartridge but featured a shorter barrel and lighter profile. This made it far more practical in confined spaces and during rapid movement. Despite these improvements, its shortened sight radius slightly reduced long-range accuracy compared to the full-length Gewehr 98. Gewehr 88. The older Gewehr 88, known as the commission rifle, remained in service throughout the war due to shortages. Originally adopted before Mauser perfected its designs, it fired the same 7.92 mm round but used an outdated en-bloc clip system. While accurate enough and still lethal, it was mechanically complex and less robust than later Mauser rifles, making it less popular with frontline troops. Mauser 71-84. Germany also relied on the Mauser 71-84, a tubular magazine rifle dating back to the black powder era. Though obsolete by 1914 standards, it was pressed into rear line and reserve service. Its slower reload speed and outdated ammunition limited its usefulness in modern combat. Mosin Nagant. Captured rifles, particularly the Russian Mosin Nagant, were widely reused. These rifles were rugged and powerful, helping Germany supplement shortages, but ammunition supply and training complications limited their frontline effectiveness. Number 2. Pistols and sidearms. Luger P08. The most iconic German sidearm of the war was the Luger P08. Designed for officers and specialized troops, it fired the 9 by 19 mm cartridge and featured excellent ergonomics and accuracy. Its precision machining made it a highly effective and comfortable pistol, but also expensive and sensitive to dirt, making it less reliable in muddy trench conditions. Mauser C96. The Mauser C96 was another famous German pistol, recognizable by its boxy profile and wooden shoulder stock. Designed originally as a civilian and export weapon, it was adopted due to its high velocity and extended range. While powerful and accurate, it was heavy and awkward compared to more conventional pistols. Reichsrevolver. Germany also relied on the Reichsrevolver, an outdated design inherited from the 19th century. Simple and rugged, it lacked a swing-out cylinder and modern safety features, making it slow to reload and unpopular with troops. Dreyse M1907. The Dreyse M1907 and Walther Model 4 served as compact alternatives, especially for officers and rear-line personnel. While easy to carry, their smaller calibers limited stopping power in close combat. Number 3. Machine guns. MG08. The MG08 was the cornerstone of German firepower. Based on the Maxim system, it was designed to deliver sustained, devastating automatic fire. Firing the same 7.92 mm cartridge as German rifles, it dominated defensive positions and could halt entire infantry assaults. However, its massive weight and reliance on water cooling made it difficult to move once emplaced. MG08/15. To improve mobility, Germany introduced the MG August 15. Lighter and more portable, it allowed infantry units to carry automatic fire forward. While revolutionary for its time, it remained heavy by modern standards and was prone to overheating during prolonged fire. MG08/18. Late in the war, the MG August 18 attempted to eliminate water cooling entirely. While this reduced weight, it significantly increased overheating problems, limiting its effectiveness. Bergmann MG15 Na. The Bergmann MG15 Na was another attempt at portability, designed specifically for stormtrooper units. Though lighter and more flexible, it lacked the sustained fire capability of heavier machine guns. Number 4. Submachine guns. MP18. Germany pioneered the world's first practical submachine gun with the MP18. Designed specifically for trench raiding, it fired pistol ammunition at a high rate of fire. Compact and devastating at close range, it gave stormtroopers unprecedented firepower in assaults. However, its limited range and early drum magazine issues restricted its overall battlefield impact. Number 5. Flamethrowers. Flammenwerfer M1916. Germany was the first nation to deploy flamethrowers in combat. The Flammenwerfer M1916 projected jets of burning fuel into enemy trenches, creating terror and clearing fortified positions. While psychologically devastating, flamethrower operators were extremely vulnerable and often targeted immediately. Number 7. Support and trench weapons. Granatenwerfer 16. To dominate trench warfare, Germany deployed weapons like the Granatenwerfer 16, a short-range grenade launcher ideal for lobbed explosives into enemy trenches.